Welcome to Sunday Tech Wonder. Now we are going to talk about the Redmi Note 9 5G series. Redmi Note 9 5G and Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G was released in China on the 27th November. Now let us discuss about it. I am going to give you a detailed information about those two models, and these are expected to be launched in India in January or Feb. Now let us get into detailed information about them. Let us begin. In Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G series, it has given a 108 MP quad cam. It's a biggest wonder in the Redmi at the price range of 20,000 only. It has released a 6GB plus 128GB in China at the range of 20,000. Let us hope the same price in India too. It has a powered with Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G. It's a 7nm processor and octa-core. It has a 33-watt charger in box and 6.6 inch full HD plus display and 32 megapixel in display camera. And we are going to in detailed quad camera means it has a primary camera of 108 megapixel and 8 megapixel of wide angle camera and 5 megapixel of macro cam and 2 megapixel of depth sensor, which is help to giving the more detail about the photo. It has a battery of 4850 megahertz. It has a type C only. It does not have a wireless charging option. 3.5 headphone jack they have given option in it also. Remaining features are quite common, but in this we have got a Starry Night 2.0 effect, which is the latest effect in night mode. It has some special in 5G series only. It runs with the Android 10 and the latest MIUI 12 version, which is optimized for like Poco X3 and other firmwares. And we have a side-mounted fingerprint. It does not have a in-display fingerprint for this. Let's hope it may be changed in India. We don't know the. It released in China. I'm telling those specifications for you. It has a three variants of 6GB plus 128GB RAM and 8GB plus 128GB RAM and 8GB plus 256GB RAM. The starting price was 19,999, which is 6GB plus 128GB RAM, which is released in China. In India, they are thinking to launch this in the mid of Jan or Feb. Let's hope it will be in the new year. Now let us discuss about the Redmi Note 9 5G. It is powered with a MediaTek Dimensity 800U, which is a 7nm processor. It's a very pretty good for gaming also. They have given it. Its starting variant is 6GB plus 128GB RAM, and after that they are providing 8GB plus 128GB RAM plus 8GB plus 256GB RAM. They are going to be these three variants present in it, and there are three color options for us. We don't know the exact color names of those, but I have got two picks for you. One is orange shade and one is blue shade. It's powered with the triple cam of 48 megapixel as primary cam and 8 megapixel as wide angle cam and 2 megapixel of macro cam and 16 megapixel in display camera for selfie, and its display was a full HD display which is 6.6 inch wide, and they are providing a special feature of a Starry Night 2.0 in this Redmi Note 9 5G series, and we are going to have a 18 watts fast charger in the box, and this is specified with a side mounted fingerprint. In China, this was priced at the range of 14,999 for a 6GB and 128GB variant. Let us hope the same price in the India too.